This is Motorhead Garage. I'm going to tell you a little bit of the story. Well, imagine you've got this 1991 Fox body Mustang. You're getting ready to go to a major magazine shoot where they're going to feature your car. You go to start it up and nothing happens. Well, that happened to Ray. Ray, back in 2012, you were headed off to the big time with your car, and it let you down. What was the problem?
TFI ended up overheating because we ended up taking it to the Myrtle Beach Speedway the day before and running around the track a lot, and all that heat just broke down the electronics on the module.
Well, let's talk about the TFI module. For folks who may not know, what is it? What does it stand for?
It's thick film ignition module is what it stands for. And basically what it does is it controls the spark of the car. So
that's
ultra important. Yes, and when the heat comes up and breaks down the electronics, then there's no more spark. So.
And the TFI module is unique to Fords,
yes.
And it was used a lot during that era in lots of different vehicles, and the Mustang quite a bit. Now, it wasn't the unit itself. What was the problem?
It's just the heat that broke down the module itself. So
where's the module mounted?
It's mounted on the distributor.
Where there's tons of heat.
Yes.
So it makes sense.
Yes.
So at Fatbox, you fix that.
Yes.
What's the fix?
So the fix is one of my relocation kits. So 94 and 95 Mustangs, they ended up putting them on there. I've done some research and everything, so I got to looking at that, and I just went to the junkyard and picked up a heat sink, and I ended up, doing a little wiring harness and everything and hooking it all up, and, it was like I had no more problems after that. It's been awesome. And I've drove my car a lot since then and never any more problems. So it's a peace of mind too.
And thousands of people can sing the same song because they have your kits from Fatbox in their car. Let's talk about what comes in the kit here. You got a few different models based on your car and your particular needs. So this is the basic kit.
That's the basic kit. That's the 423706B kit. We actually have Late Model Restoration Supply. They sell this kit for us, and basically what it comes with is a harness that's 9 foot 6 inches long. You get all the hardware with it. You get the extension wires, all the heat shrink, and you get the dielectric grease, the heat sink grease, and everything that you need to do the install.
And the same can be said of all these kits.
Absolutely.
And this is essentially the same kit here, but with a little more cable. Who's that for?
Okay, so the guys that are doing wire tucks, that's the guys that that kit's for, because the length of the harness right here is 13 feet. And then, so you could take that thing just about anywhere you want to.
This is the unit we put on the white car behind us. That's a 1990, and that's what we put on. What makes that different from these?
Okay, so basically what this does is this cuts down all the work that you have to do, and it cuts down all the connections that you have to make on these cables. So it's already done for you. But the thing of it is, I've had some customers that's reached out and said, hey, we want something that looks factory. So I'm like, okay, well, I can make something look factory, right? So I ended up making that. I ended up making the mold and everything for it, and we done a plastic injection on it, and it turned out really well.
And this is your latest. Tell me
That's my latest and greatest. This is a work in progress for me for about 3 years, and the biggest thing was this piece right here. That's not made anywhere, right? So everybody was hitting me up. We want to do a plug and play. Can you do a plug and play? Because they don't want to spend the time, to, extend the wiring and everything else. So we said, sure. So this is also 9 foot 6 inches long, and it's 100% plug and play. It'll take 2.5 to 3 hours off your day.
I'm all about the plug and play.
Yes,
Let's make it
me
simple.
too. Yes.
Now, I watched as you installed this. It didn't take very long. First, you have to unplug the battery.
Yep.
And then from there, what are the steps?
Well, then you got to take the distributor and unbolt it a little bit, or just loosen the distributor hold down bolt. And then you turn it, you unplug it, unplug the TFI module off of it after you take the bolts out, and then you fish your harness back underneath the intake. That's pretty simple.
And that's the hardest part of the procedure.
That's the hardest part, because all the stuff that's underneath it, but after you get it out from under the intake, then it's really, really simple. So
you just route it around where you need to route it. The heat sinks up in front on this particular vehicle. You can also mount it on a shock tower if that's where you have space, or back on the firewall, depending on your model.
Yes, wherever you want to put it.
Now, Ray, I'm looking right here. It says made in the USA. You told me all of this is made in the United States.
Yes, sir.
How important is it for you to have American-made products to go in an American-made car? An icon.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the supplies that I get are from America, so I want to keep Americans busy and have them work and jobs and things of that nature. So Everything that we do, we want to make sure that it's high quality, and you get that in the United States.
You're getting a high quality product because it is made in the USA, and Fat Fox stands behind their product. Keep your Mustang running. It's great peace of mind to stay on the road or the track. FatFox.com is the place to go. That's 2 X's at the end of Fat Fox. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage, so stay tuned. We'll be right back.